Guys, look at this chart over here. This is as pretty as it gets. You have a structure point that we have identified as the 96.47. We have identified this because this is the one that goes back till April 2008. We did trade below the 96.47 and it took us to the all-time low. Now we came back to the structural point of 96.47, and for the last 3 days, look at this. The last 3 days of last week, even though with the unemployment we did manage to close above the 96.47. That is extremely strong, and that tells us that the move now is to the upside in the dollar Swiss, and we should be looking for a continuation to the upside. This brilliant setup here, exactly, Femi, gives us a clean selling point, and the clean selling point is what is below the 96.47. So this shouldn't take a minute. Our short point is 96.47. Our structural short, as you see from last week, yeah, I know, is 96.47. And if we are going to go short below 96.47, we need to put our stop back above the 96.47. Our long point and if you look at the intraday chart, look at this. This is magnificent. I mean, this is one of the most prettiest charts that you can see, because everything is lining up and setting up structurally wise perfect. And this is where you want to go short, and this is where your structural point is, and you're going to take it to the short side. And it is also the same chart, guys, as the Japanese yen. Look at this. When it gets up, hopefully soon, pretty much identical. You got your trend, and now it is setting, and that makes them both picture perfect. Okay, so that again confirms the strength, the underlying strength that's coming into the dollar, and it should let us again look at buying the dollar and shorting the Swiss and the yen, of course, as soon as it comes up for a second. So now our entry, our buying point, and you see this, our buy point is going to be above 96.85. This is going to be our long point. So our buying point is 96.85, and if we're going to buy it above 96.85, we have to put our stop right below the structure point. So the long stop is going to be 96.47. You have to be risking about 40 pips on that trade. Okay, and the structure long to the upside is now going to be, let's see, what was our structure long. I don't know what the 97.65 is. But the next structure point is the 98. I don't know what this is. I have to check. Yeah, what was it last week, Aham? Which is the 99 exactly. That's your structure point from last week. Okay, well done. So our long point is going to be the 96.85. If we're going to buy it there, we're going to place our stop below 96.47. Our short point is the 96.47, which is also our structural short, and it is also our short stop, and our structure long is the 99.18. All right, that is the dollar Swiss.